Hi guys, this is Rajon and today we've got this letter writing that says write a letter to your friend telling him what you intended to do after passing the HSLC exam. So as you can see in this one, you have to write to your friend about your plans after you pass the HSLC exam. And this is a very simple one, but you have to understand it very properly, otherwise you will find it difficult. So before we start, I just want to say that if you want the HD picture of this letter, then you will get it in the description box. So let's start now. As always, we write first, my dear friend, then on the right side, date and the place from where you are writing this letter. And then we write, I am glad to know that you are keeping well as I have received your letter after such a long time. You wanted to know about my plans after passing the HSLC examination, so today I am going to tell you about it. So here you are writing to your friend that you have received his letter after a very long time and you are really pleased and happy to know that he is well and healthy. And because he asked for this, so today you will be telling him about your plans after you pass the HSLC examination. Firstly, I expect good result in the HSLC examination. I am not going to join any professional courses for now. Rather, when the college session begins, I would like to take admission in HS in TIFT College. So you are saying to your friend that you are hoping to get some good marks in this HSLC examination, and for now you are not gonna join any professional courses like computer or anything else, but you will be taking admission in HS in the TIFT College. I wish to take admission in the science stream and I believe I will secure the qualifying marks for a seat in the college. I wish to take my postgraduate degree in a science subject and then join the administrative services under the central government. I will make sure that I work hard enough to clear the competitive exam. So these are my plans. So what else you are saying to your friend is that you want to take the admission in TIFT College in science stream and you are hopeful that you will get the required marks for this. Also, you want to take your postgraduate degree in a science subject and then join the administrative services under the central government. And you believe that you will work hard enough to pass that exam as well. So these are your plans. That's all for today. We all are well by the grace of God, and hopefully you and your family are well also, and don't forget to write to me back soon. So these are something we write in almost every friendly letter, some good wishes about the family, and also you are reminding your friend to write to you back soon. Then on the left side we write address, the address of the receiver. And if the address of the receiver is given in the question, then you will write exactly what is given in the question. Otherwise you can write something like the name is A, the post office is B, the pin code is C, something like that. And on the right side, with love from, if the name of the writer is given in the question as well, then you can write the name what is given. Otherwise you can just give something like this, ABC, or anything else. So now we are done with this. This was quite a simple one as I told you earlier, but if you have any confusion then you can ask me in the comment section. And as I told you this earlier too, that if you want the HD picture of this one, then you can check the description box, you will get it from there on. So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.